guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I sat here and filmed for you guys. So many things have been going on. I actually upgraded some of my equipment, which I did back in December, and I filmed a couple videos but never got the chance to put them up. And then with everything that's going on in the world, I just want to say that I hope that everyone is safe and healthy, and just please stay indoors. You know, let's try to get through this. We're gonna get through this together. And you know, I figured, why not get on here and create some content for you guys. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Maddie.Leonardo. And you know, I've been actually like really focused on consistency this year, and when it comes to creating makeup looks and you know, really trying to get more creative, I feel like I've been really working on that, and now I'm ready to sit and film. I did do a little makeup shopping at Marshall's. If you guys haven't seen my last Marshall's video, I show you guys where I pick up makeup. When I go to Marshall's, I don't necessarily go looking for makeup. It's usually like house things or, you know, random things that I'm looking for, but I always have to check out the makeup section. And this time I did, and I felt like I hit jackpot. I don't know if all Marshalls, because when I post on my Instagram, a lot of you ask me like, what Marshalls, but I hit up different Marshalls. I go to Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island. So I kind of just don't stick to one, because I noticed that each Marshalls, you know, it's kind of like, it's whatever. Each one is gonna have different things. People look for different things in each store, so you kind of just have to go hunting in a way. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I got from Marshalls recently, and then I'm going to show you some products that I've been using that have been my favorites for the last couple months. And yeah, so let's get started. I did keep the box because I wanted to show you guys like how much I paid for everything and stuff like that. The first thing that I picked up was this NARS Wanted 2 cheek palette. And it's crazy how things work, because I actually been eyeing this for a long time in Sephora, and I wanted to go pick it up, never got a chance to picking it up. And then I seen it in Marshall's, and I was like, oh, you know guys, I love blush. I've told you this a million times. Like, for me, I have to have blush. I'm very olive yellow toned, and I just feel like blush just gives me life. I could honestly go without highlighter and just live with blush. Like lately, I haven't even been wearing a lot of highlighter. I haven't even been wearing a lot of highlighter lately. But this blush palette is everything. Like when I saw this, I was like screaming. I was super hyped. So let me see. I've been using it right now. I'm actually wearing, let me open it up again. I'm actually wearing this shade right here mixed with this one. So these two shades. I hope my camera's not like washing out the colors, but those are the two shades I'm wearing right now. So for that palette, it came in this box, and I paid $19.99. I don't know if you guys, I know my camera will focus, but so I paid $19.99. Retail price I believe is about 48 bucks or 38, somewhere along those lines. But regardless, I was like, I didn't even hesitate. I just opened it up to make sure it wasn't cracked and stuff like that, and I'm like, this is coming home with me. So I picked that up, and so far I have been loving it. Like NARS blushes, if you ever tried them, you know how amazing they are. Super pigmented, blend effortlessly. And MAC also carries, like, most of my blushes are from MAC. So and NARS blushes I've bought like here and there. I've never had like a palette, so and if they had 2 or 3, I would have got it, but I only saw 1. So I'm gonna try to go back to see if I could find some for my kit. But super happy that I picked that up. And then the next pickup from NARS is this Hot Nights face palette. So I believe it comes with about 4 eyeshadows and then a blush and a bronzing powder. I honestly didn't even know that the shades at the top were eyeshadow. I was using it like blush and highlighter and all that good stuff. But this is what it looks like. These 4 here are eyeshadows, and then these 2 are face powders, bronzer and highlighter. And I've been actually, this is what I'm using right now, these 2 as highlight, but it gives you like that glow from within kind of look. It's not like in your face highlighter. And for this, I also paid $19.99. I believe this retails anywhere from 48 to 58 bucks, which I can show you right there. sometimes Marshalls like tells you like what it might retail for, but if you go online the prices are different. But I was again super happy with these two pickups. I was like, yes. Next thing that I picked up from Marshalls is this Clinique Lash Power Mascara, which I paid $5.99 for. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus. I don't know, but so far I'm wearing it right now and I love it. It's amazing. So I mean, $5, $6, you can't go wrong. And then the next thing I picked up is this Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer. I love Too Faced. And this I got for $5.99. I don't know what the retail price for this is. I probably should have did a little research, but I just wanted to get on here and film, and you know, we here. But this is basically what it looks like. It smells amazing. I'm like obsessed. I have it on right now. I've been using it for the past couple days, so I was actually excited to try these products on before just showing you what I bought. I already knew the NARS stuff was gonna be bomb, but this I never tried, and so far I'm obsessed. I always use like the Makeup Forever Step 1 smoothing primer. You guys know, if you follow me, it's like my favorite primer ever. But I was like, you know what, let's try something new. And this, so far I was really happy with everything that I bought. Sometimes I'll buy stuff and it just kind of like, it's not something I reach for all the time, but all of this stuff was amazing. And then I found this MAC Mini. These retail for about $12 and I found it for $3.99. I don't know if you can see, which I was honestly shocked to see MAC there, because I don't know if I've ever seen like MAC. And these minis, I mean, $3.99 for this is way better than $12, no offense. Oh, and then another thing I picked up was this Helmet Head Extra Firm Hairspray from Chit. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is what I'm actually wearing now. And this spray, guys, it smells so good. I actually love how it smells. So I bought this for $8, so I was happy about that. I was actually looking for the other hairspray that I love. I forgot what the name of it, but I couldn't find it, so I was like, you know what, let me try this one. $8, you know, not bad. And I really like it because my hair, it still gives me that wet look, but it isn't like crunchy. So I think I'm gonna go back. I always see these all the time in Marshall, so I'm gonna go back and I think I'm gonna pick up a couple more. So wondering, the lashes that I'm wearing right now is Leilani from Tata Lashes. So the next couple things I'm going to talk about are products that I've been using. I've probably repeated this 1,000 times before my videos, but you know, we starting fresh. This is my first video of 2020, which is crazy to me, but yeah, so we starting fresh. So one of the things that I bought was from ColourPop, and I got the pastel bundle, which came with these four. I'm not gonna open them up because I've used them and they probably look crazy inside. But this is the strawberry shake. I'll open up this. Well, you know what? I'm gonna open up this one. I don't think, you know, it gets messy when we do makeup. I don't try to keep my palettes all pretty. I get in there. This one I dived into a little bit, but they're pretty much like monochromatic palettes, which I was like, as soon as I seen these, you know, it's like one of those things where I always want to buy everything online, but if I don't control myself, then we're gonna be here with a house full of makeup. So, but this, I was like, you know what, it was a steal. I think I paid $45 for 5 palettes, which, I mean, that's a great deal. And I was a little nervous because I've used ColourPop products before, but mainly their lip stuff and like some eye shadows, but I never bought like an actual palette. And so far the quality of these are so amazing. They're super pigmented. So this is meant to be. We have strawberry shake, lilac you a lot. The names are like so freaking cute. Going coconuts, which is what I use to create the look I have today. So I can already tell this is gonna be like my go-to. And then Baby Got Peach, which is like also tones that I tend to use all the time. So this has been like, I mean, my favorite go-to palettes lately. They're super compact. You could travel, well, you know what, you can't travel with them because we can't go nowhere, but you know, they're small and cute, and I'm so happy that I bought this. There's times that I buy things and I'm a little disappointed, but I've honestly been reaching for this way more than any other new palettes that I've bought. So if you guys haven't bought the bundle, or even if you just buy one palette, like anyone you like, go ahead and try them out. You won't be disappointed. They're amazing. They blend nicely. And you know what I like too, that a lot of times, like, I try to do a makeup look and I get a little carried away, like I start really going in looking for dark colors. But these, because the colors are monochromatic and they're like not too, they don't have shades that are too deep, I feel like you kind of stay within that tone, and I love that. Lately I've been really trying to, you know, switch up my looks, because a lot of times I'll have a look going for me and then I just gotta add depth and darkness in there, and then I have a smoky eye when I'm done. So this is nice because I've been really trying to do looks sticking to like one palette, and it's been working. I can't wait. I haven't used this glittery shade yet, but I'm definitely gonna start. You know, I just used each one, but I can't wait to really go in and create some beautiful looks for you guys. So that's that. And then the next thing I've been using, you guys know my favorite foundation ever is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because I've been using this with MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC42. And guys, I am like obsessed. This is what I have on my face right now, and it just gives me coverage. It lasts all day, because the NARS, I love the NARS, but it isn't like a super matte foundation. So a lot of times if you have oily areas, you're gonna see yourself getting a little bit oily. So this is why I started mixing it with a matte foundation. And I tend to just use the matte foundation like in my T-zone, and then I've been going in with this one everywhere else, and it just, you get the best coverage with these two bad boys right here. I almost forgot. See, I got so carried away that I forgot I had this right here. I haven't even opened this, but this is another thing that I bought in Marshall's, and I paid $10 for this, $9.99. But yeah, I haven't opened it yet, but I just thought it was super cute. It comes with the cup, and it comes with 4 brushes, which look like they're gonna be really good. This highlighter brush, I know sometimes people are like, what are you gonna use that for? Because I tend to go for smaller brushes for my face, but sometimes I do like to put a little shimmer and, you know, highlight and stuff like that on my neck when I'm taking pictures or going out. So yeah, this was another thing that I bought at Marshall's. Super cute. So back to the what else I've been using. Lately I've also been reaching a lot for the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Natural Beige. I tend to mix this with the Hourglass stick foundation under my eyes, just because I feel like the stick foundation gives me it's more creamy, so it doesn't dry me out, and then I use this. You guys know Pro Longwear from MAC is my top 3 concealers, but I don't know, I just been trying to switch up things. You know, sometimes you get bored of using like the same thing, and some of these products I've used for literally years. So you know, I started reaching for this one, and I just been sticking with it, and I love how my makeup's been looking and lasting, so that's also been my go-to. And then from MAC as well, I've been using the Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in extra light. So I was using the KKW Beauty No. 3 Brighten Powder. If you haven't tried a brightening powder, go watch my Instagram full foundation makeup tutorial, which is my first YouTube tutorial ever. But I still tend to do my makeup the same. I switch up products, but the way that I do it is still the same. So after I apply my blush, if you'll see in the video, I apply that the brightening powder, which helps to blend out my blush and brighten up my under eyes a little bit more. Because sometimes you put concealer and you think it's looking bright, but when you take pictures, it's a whole nother story. So a lot of times the way I do my makeup is to photograph as beautifully as it can, and to last. And I love a bright under eye, like awake, you know, I slept 12 hours, like that's how we're trying to look. If you never tried this one, this is another amazing powder. It does pretty much the same thing, but it's loose. The next thing, speaking of skin, my skin has been a little bit like I don't know, I feel like I have moments when my skin is like super clear, and then that time of the month comes and it's like everything goes downhill. But I've been sticking, and I have a video on my favorite acne products. Most of those is still the same, but I've been sticking mainly to the Kate Somerville Anti-Back Lotion. This stuff, when this stuff gets sold out, is like you want to cry and rip your hair out. So I was using this, and I was still going back to my acne.org benzoyl peroxide. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, go check out my acne video and you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so if you haven't tried it, it is a little bit pricey. I believe I paid $48 for this, but I mean, when it comes to my skin, like, it's, you know, I just feel like you gotta put quality stuff on your face. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys was this Morphe, sorry if like my makeup's dirty, liquid lip in Taunt. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys could see like how it looks. But it's beautiful. I'm like so obsessed with these liquid lipsticks. Like, they're amazing. I love a matte lip, but the problem with matte lips sometimes is that like they'll get crumbly or your lips feel like a desert. But this one is actually like super amazing, and it gives you coverage. You don't have to build it up, doesn't ball up on you. You can eat and drink and it will not transfer. So if you're looking for a lipstick, I actually want to get more colors, but the Morphe liquid lipstick is amazing. So I've been using that color a lot lately. What's on my lip now is the Anastasia Soft Touch lipstick. I had actually found this in Marshall's as well, and I'm like obsessed with this lipstick. It's what I'm wearing now. It's like a peachy soft, not peachy, it's like a nude with a soft touch of pink. Like, it's just a beautiful color. So I tend to reach for this lipstick a lot also. And then the KKW Mario collab, He's a Mixer lipstick and Proud of You gloss have also been like my go-to lately. I am like so obsessed with this color lipstick. It's like a nude, like a peachy, I don't know, I love peachy nudes on me, but I feel like this nude is like universal. I feel like anybody will look good with this color. So if you haven't tried these, you need to go ahead and check them out. And then for eyeliner, you guys know I love the Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black. But this is the eyeliner I wear now. I put it in my waterline. I tightline with it, which is up there, so the lashes can look like super dark and fluffy. I use it for my wing. I mean, literally, this eyeliner is amazing. The next thing I wanted to talk about was fragrance. Lately, I've been using the Chanel Chance, the Au Dentre. I hope I'm saying that right. But this smell is so amazing. It's like fresh and clean and like, you know, like just I love fresh, slightly floral smells. I feel like it is kind of floral. I don't know, it's not like, I have to spray myself, hold on. It smells so good. It's not floral, I don't know, it's just like a really fresh smell. I'm obsessed. I love this. This has been my go-to smell lately. It's not too strong, which I love, because I don't really like strong perfumes unless like you're going out at night or to dinner. But for like every day, just trying to smell, you know, nice and clean, that has been my go-to. And I got this also at Sephora. I just wanted to get on here and tell you guys that I'm coming back. Your bitch is back, and I'm gonna come up with some tutorials. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do like close-up tutorials where I just zoom into the eye. I'm really playing around with it, so let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. That helps me out so I could really get my creative juices flowing. You know, I love doing dramatic, crazy, like creative looks, but I know they're fun to watch, but they might not be something you actually attempt to do. So I think that the first couple looks I'm gonna do are more wearable looks, and you know, looks that I like, such as this makeup look. So if you want to see me film this, let your girl know. And it feels so good to be back. And yeah, I hope that you guys stay safe, stay inside, stay healthy. Make sure y'all wash them hands real good. Make sure y'all Cloroxing everything. And you know, even though this is a tough time, you know, it feels good to be able to give a little bit of positivity out there. And this is how I like to distract myself, you know, makeup and beauty is my way of, like, it's literally my art. It's how I zone in. I can just play music for hours and literally paint my face. Is what I love. It literally relaxes me. So it feels good to be able to just kind of take our minds away from everything that's going on. So I can't wait to be back on here with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.